I just dropped Joss off at school. It's currently 7:58 in the morning. And one of the cool little things that I like to do is, for a little extra cash sometimes, I get on this app called Spark. Get this turned on. I'm gonna go to, say, 10 o'clock. Turn it on. See what they got to deliver. Yeah, so for some extra cash, it's pretty easy. I'm gonna show you a little bit how it works. It's really not that exciting, but you just kinda, I'm gonna hit start trip. Kinda hard to do while I'm driving. Probably shouldn't be doing it while I'm driving, so start trip. And then all I do is I go to Walmart and I pull into the little thing and they load the groceries up and I drop them off. And then they pay me for it. It's pretty simple. Let's go. Confirm arrival. Old Wally World. Looks like I can get spot 1. That's good. Both ways. Oh, spot 2. I have to change it. Someone got my spot. Actually, spot 3. Change it. Spot 3. And then they know I'm here, so I just wait for them to bring the groceries out. And then I'll go drop it off.
Every time I deliver to you, you're in number 3 because...
So it's just a bag of medicine that they ordered. It looks like I gotta scan it in. So you take the little scanner, flashlight. Then there's a little thing. Go. Start delivery. Oh yeah. Headed to the outlet mall to go to the Quality Inn.
Head north toward Pennsylvania.
Somebody's not feeling well. Oh, car behind me. Okay. This Walmart parking lot is awful. And so is that backup beeper. Why a Toyota Prius has a backup beeper, I have no idea. And it is annoying. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Prius power! That's all she's got! Your medicine's on your way! Woo! Don't you go dying on me! I don't know if you guys noticed, but I put studded tires on the car this year, and they are noisy. But this is the first time I've had studded tires on any of the cars I've owned, and I absolutely love them. They are sweet. So, a little noisy, but I'm thinking I might need a set of studded tires for my bicycle. However, my bicycle does not have a heater on it, so I might not be riding my bike as much when it's that cold. If I need studded tires to ride my bike, it might be just a little too cold for me. We'll see. I'm not counting it out, but I do like the studded tires. It is just a beautiful day today. It is currently 30 degrees out. Feeling good though. This is a no contact delivery, which is good because it appears that they are sick. Just a few more miles, we'll be at the mall. 3 miles, so driving 3 miles to drop off for like you know. A couple bucks, whatever. I'm not doing anything else. Get that holiday cash. Ah, the great outlet mall. That's like what we're known for now, which is, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. People ask you where you live. Oh, I live in Grove City. They're like, oh, you guys got the outlet mall. Like, oh man. Yes. Yes, we do. How about those clouds? The clouds are looking good. Alright, almost there. Quality Inn. Should be up here on the left. Also, doing this, it is kind of like constantly driving around in a state of being lost, because GPS isn't perfect. You know, you'll have a number, but the GPS will be like, you've reached your destination. You look around, there's like nothing around you. You're like, oh my God, where do I go? So this one looks pretty easy actually. Quality Inn, seatbelt's coming off, and it's beeping. Okay, at delivery location. Got it. Scan it. Good to go. Scan complete. And then let's go drop it off. So yeah, that's it. Done. It complete. Back to my car. I mean, it's not bad. Like, I think it'd be tough if you had a car that wasn't good on gas, but the old Prius, she's getting about 46 miles a gallon. It didn't really cost me much in gas. But I suppose for extra money, it's pretty easy. I don't know. Hardest part's probably finding where you're going. But you get to cruise around the mean streets of Grove City, sometimes Slippy Rock, Mercer. This freaking GoPro, I will never buy another GoPro. This thing freezes and doesn't turn on sometimes and shuts off randomly on its own. It is horrible. It's easy to use because all you gotta do is hit the button, boom, you're recording, but what a piece of crap. I hate it. I'll never buy another one. Constantly gotta take the battery out, put the battery back in, and then it works. It's annoying to me. Beautiful day in Western Pennsylvania. So yeah, that's an easy way to make some extra holiday cash. You can turn it on and turn it off whenever you want to. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Go.